Hey guys, just a quick update. I wasn't gonna record doing this phase limiter, but we got a major issue here. Okay, a lot of videos that you see on YouTube and all that, they do, there's several phase limiter videos. So I wasn't gonna go through the whole headache of recording this part of the cam swap. But once again, as you know, I got a C7Z06. Anybody who has a Z06 knows that, you know, you got a, it's a supercharger. It's an LT4. So what do you notice here? Okay, I got my phase limiter tool on there. And what do you see? Okay, if you don't know, now you know. The LT4 has two springs. Okay, guys. Uh, Quick update, as you know, Texas Speed sent me the wrong phase limiter tool for the LT4, and I just don't have time to wait on them to get me the correct tool. So there is a way you can do it without the tool. As you can see, I have a set of vice grips, two sets of vice grips. But let me back up. The LT4 actuator has two springs in it. Most of your other LS and your L83s, LT1s only has one spring. So the phaser tool that they send you to rotate that spring back is too thin. It's not wide enough to grab both the springs. So anyway, Texas Speed is sending me a new tool, but I don't have time to wait. It's got my whole project held up. So with some little garage engineering, I came up with an idea to use a vice grip. It has, I pinched both the springs. It's got enough lip for me to grab it with the vice grip. I pulled it back, and now I have it locked with another set of vice grips so it won't move. From there, it's pretty much, cookie cutter like all the other videos you've seen where, you set the actuator in your vice where the pin is at the, between the 1, 2 position, which is this pin here. And then immediately clockwise to this pin to the right, or clockwise to the pin is this bolt. You only want to turn it a quarter turn. You do not want to remove this bolt right here. Just a quarter of a turn, and then you remove all the other ones, including one with the pin. But do not move this one here that's clockwise immediately to the right where the pin is. And then from there, you loosen the bolts, rotate it, put your phase limiter in, and it's all textbook from there. So you got plenty of videos to do that. I'm not here for that. I just, with a quick update because I have an LT4, and there's a major difference between the LT4 and the LT1 and the LS actuators. Oh, and if you don't believe it worked, stay tuned. So as you can see, I'm remove these bolts. Get my other tool here to speed this up a little bit. 1 second. Speed this up a little bit for you guys. Time is of the essence here. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we don't want to move that bolt. I've already loosened it up a quarter turn. Rotate it out the way. I have a 0 degree phase limiter. You can only go in one slot. that one. It goes in there. Rotate it back. And so for safety, I'm gonna put the longer pin in first immediately. So we don't have any issues. Two. One. Two. 3. Okay, it's back in. So, as you can see, snug these up at this torque to 89 inch-pounds. And you notice that you go in the star pattern. I'm just gonna snug these up. That's that. Hold this thing here, release that up. There it is. Bam. No tube, baby. No tube with it. Texas Speed, y'all got me fucked up, bro, but you can't stop my show. And that's how you do it, ladies and gentlemen, without a tube. Remember, LT4 actuator and the LT1 actuator, two different, they not the same. So when all these descriptions and all these videos out here with, they saying Gen 5, okay, Gen 5 stops at LT1 as far as the actuator is concerned in my book. If you got an LT4, make sure you get the right tool. If you don't get the right tool or don't have the right tool, do a little garage engineering. I use 2 sets of vice grips. One set I was able to grab both the springs. There's enough lip for you to grab it. And you make sure you really lock on, pull back gently, enough room. Put your second set and lock against the face. And that'll lock the first set of vice grips in place. That's enough room for you to get the pin out, and as you can see, job done. Now I can keep moving forward with my project. Thanks for watching. Click the like button, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and we're gonna try to keep this channel moving. Thank you.